There's a winter storm coming today, and I don't really have any plans. I'm currently changing into my snow gear so I can go outside and plow snow. I also want to see if I can snowboard. I live on a little bit of a hill, so I'm gonna see if I can just take my snowboard out and snowboard down the hill. Okay, update. I just got back from shoveling and it was a lot of work. I don't know how long I was out there for, but it was a couple of hours. The whole family came out to shovel together, so it felt like a family project. But yeah, it's still snowing a lot, and I'm too tired, so I will not be snowboarding down my hill. Maybe tomorrow. I think it's supposed to stop snowing later tonight, so I think tomorrow morning sounds like a better option. But yeah, shoveling's a lot of work. I really wanted to have some hot chocolate after coming back from shoveling snow, and I didn't think I had any hot chocolate, but my friend 2 weeks ago gave me a snack bag, and I just remembered that there was hot chocolate inside. So I'm excited to have some hot chocolate. It's gonna be perfect. I actually have not ever used this. That might be shocking, but it says you just have to empty it and then put some hot water and milk. So luckily I do have some milk, even though I'm lactose intolerant. Hopefully it won't cause any issues. It probably will, but I'm just gonna stay inside all day anyway, so it'll be fine. Wow, it's so good. My friend actually made me this, and it's so cute. Every time I see it, it just brings me so much joy. And I'm gonna eat my dumplings now. Might be a weird combination now that I think about it, but if it works, it works. Wow. It's hot. It's so good. I'm going out for round 2 of shoveling because I am really scared that the snow is going to turn to ice overnight. So just gonna get as much snow as I can out of the way. It is like already really dark outside. Yeah, so I want to see how much snow I can get off, but hopefully it won't take too long. And after shoveling, I was so tired that I decided to just call it a night. And the next morning, I snowboarded in my backyard.
I can't get up.
Or at least I tried to.
No. My snowboard's sinking. Fail. I can't move. Stress. It's not working.
Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.